I've heard a lot about the potential of 3D printing in healthcare. Can you explain how 3D printing is being used to create customized medical devices or implants, and what are the biggest challenges in this field? Very exciting field, and we get a lot of energy from doing healthcare projects. Oftentimes, we're coupling 3D printing with 3D scanning. That could either be a handheld optical scanner or even with CT scans. The number one application that we see right now is prosthetics, especially with ears and noses, or measuring residual limbs using scanning to create templates. There are, a myriad of other applications in dentistry, in surgical planning, and in training. So 3D printing is used to produce surgical models, to train new doctors. It's used to produce models to visualize what is going to happen in a surgery before you go into surgery, and sometimes you can practice. There's certain 3D printing materials that feel like bone. There's certain 3D printing materials that can be soft or flexible and feel like skin, or you can use 3D printing to create a positive, to cast something, to replicate part of the human body. Tremendous tool for training, tremendous tool for prosthesis. But the two issues that we run into in the healthcare system are lack of trained people. We can train people because usually it's pretty smart people, but the other one, especially here in Canada, is lack of funding. And it is quite difficult sometimes to find the investment in this technology that may or may not be proven when there's so many other important places to put the money.